Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this session, let's develop something extraordinary and something really very much remarkable for the Excel levels. And uh, this is a colorful screen you can see. Yeah, this screen is telling you some colors, and these let's using these colors, we mm, we do the calculations. Huh? Normally, the calculation is dependent upon the cell values or uh, some some values, some exact things which are residing somewhere in the form of figures, and then you do the calculation. But depending upon the colors, it is for most of the users, it's a new thing. Uh, so we have this scenario that we have three colors. This color is for OK items. What items? Some items are in the stock, right? And some items are missing. So if we highlight those items which are missing with this, so the count will appear here. And if in the stock we have some damaged items, then we mark them with this color, and this will start telling you. It will work as a console to watch the status of the inventory, right? This is your stock list, right? In which you have the stickers, and each sticker is a number, and you have for the description of the item and their item code and their type and manufacturer and the storage location, shelf, whatever, okay? And the value of it, right? For example, yeah, you can use that. So for the moment, we are talking about something related to the color marking, and just suppose that the storekeeper is given the task to physically check all these stickers, which are say 5,950 some items, right? So he has to go to them and physically check them and provide you the items which are found okay, and the items which are found missing in the store, and items which are found damaged, right? Right? Okay. So let's see how it works, right? Okay. So for this, we have used one matrix, one sheet that is called color matrix, right? In which we have this formula. And this is actually not an Excel formula. It is just a range name, a function. You know, in the formula, you have the function and the name manager, and you have created a new name, and in which you have written the formula to get the color code of from the stock number. Okay. Similarly, there are two things. One is for the completed cases, and the other is for say get color code, etc. You can name them. Okay. But for the moment, we are just checking that what code is so this is going to work for what we are wanted to achieve. Means what we do is we copy the format from here and apply it to the stocks which have been found okay. For example, this is found okay. Okay, say these are found okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So as soon as we go to this control, you find that the 4 have been marked okay. Okay, because it is counting it using the color matrix, and this is the color code, which we know that for this color we have this code. Okay, and this color has this code. Okay, so we have hidden it. So this is a hidden cell. We know that which color code is having what code, which color has what code, that will be explained to you later. Okay, so similarly, if you say let's do a marking for an item missing, let's go and copy the format, and we say that okay, this one is missing. Okay, also we color this and we say this one is also missing. Fine. Okay, and if we go back to here, so you will find the two items have been found missing. Okay, some are damaged. Some items are found damaged. For example, the storekeeper has provided you the sticker number that these are there in the inventory, but this is found damaged. Okay, so this is damaged. So we go to the console and we see this item, one item has been damaged. Okay, okay. In the OK items, 4 items we have, for example, we want to get this. So we have a Sumifs formula which takes into the consideration of this color code, and these which are these 4 items, and it sums up the stock in the I range. So if you go to the I column, so this is the value, right? And what we do that we from here to here, 4 to 8, row 4 to 8, we write some values. For example, $350 is this, and say 230 is this, and 345 is this, and 120 is this, for example. Okay. So when you go there, we will find that the OK items which were marked, and it's what its value is. So let's copy this also here. For example, we copy this thing here in front of this. Okay. And what we do, we write the formula here, right? The same formula, right? Control C, we write in here. We do this, the same thing, but we will change this. This is for the color code, which is available in here. So press a 4 here. Oh, okay. So this is the item missing, right? Let's go to the item missing. What are the item missing? These are the item missing. Okay. If we put a value here, so this missing item is say $300. Okay. And this missing item is say, for example, yeah, for $50. Okay. So you will find that 450 plus is $750. So we apply the format here, the currency format. Okay, not here. Undo. I'm sorry. This I wanted to apply it here. Okay, so we do the currency formatting here. Okay, and we get it back. This is 0. Okay, right. The same way we can do this, and this we will show you the further details. The link of this file is provided in the description. You can use it, utilize it for your own purpose, and do let me have your feedback about it. The color matrix, the console, and the store. All right. There is a small bit of code written, very short, 2 lines, 4-line code, that as soon as you click some, you can get inside. As soon as you activate the sheet, it clears the color matrix and rebuilds it so that the revised functions are in place, and it will get the information in the console, in the control panel. So this is your control in list, and this is your stock list, which you are controlling for the physical verification of the stock, and you are using the colors to calculate the items which have been physically checked, and the worth of those items done. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video. Thanks for supporting my channel.